Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a side-to-side Cuban break. Now knowing how to do a side-to-side already would be really helpful, and if you've done any other kind of Cuban break then that's going to be helpful too, but not necessary because this is one of the easiest Cuban breaks you can do. If you want to go back and look at any of that stuff, I'll put links in the description below so it's nice and quick for you to find it. Jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard side to side. So we go semicircle back, we come in side by side, we come back out. Second time, I mean obviously you can change how many times you're going to do these things before you go for the Cuban break. We're going to come in, and instead of coming straight back square, we can take a little step backwards out to the side, and then we're going to come forward straight from there, and we're going to go forwards and back. But we're going to do that double time. So it goes forwards and back, forwards and back, forwards and back. 4 is usual, but you could do more or less. And then we're going to finish with effectively a slow return spin. So we're going to come in, we're going to take the hand down more as we come in almost back to back. So we're turning right for the guy, left for the lady. We're going to release and we're going to take our time. So we're going to go slow, slow, and then we're going to reconnect and step back. So let's do that from the other side, and we'll talk numbers all the way through. So we're going to go back 1, inside by side 2, back 3, inside by side 4, little step back 5. There's our preparation. So now we're going to do the break on 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. We're now going to send ourselves into that slow return. So we're going to go slow, slow, slow and back. You can slow the return down even more. You can pause on the way into it. You can not take account to do the preparation for the actual break itself. So you can alter the timing quite a lot with one of these. But assuming you're going to go for the timing we just showed you, let's have a go together. Here we go. 5, 6, side to side, Cuban break. It's a back, in, out, in, prep, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, prep, slow, slow, and back. And that's that. That's the whole thing. It's one of those things you think is going to be difficult out on the dance floor, but actually it has a really good success rate even with people who've never done it before. So don't be afraid of this one. It's a good one. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if you like the move, do that. Subscribe and promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out if you have notifications turned on. Music recommendation in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video. Give you something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.